Hello students, welcome back in your science class. So let's continue our chapter Light, Shadows and Reflections. In previous session of this chapter, we have studied about what is a light. Light is a source of energy that enable us to see things around us. After that, we have studied sources of light. Sources of light are classified into two parts: natural source of light and man-made or uh, artificial source of light. Natural source of light which occur in nature like sun, firefly, and man-made source of light that made by man like torch, electric bulb, etc. Luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are those objects which emit their own light, like sun, and non-luminous objects are those objects which do not emit their own light. They are visible only when they get light from luminous objects. After that, we have studied about transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Transparent objects are those objects which allow light to pass through them completely, like glass, polythene, etc. And translucent objects are those objects which do not allow light pass through them completely. They allow some parts of light only, like butter paper, oil paper. And opaque objects are those objects which do not allow light to pass through them at all, like metal, wood, etc. Today we will discuss about property of light. Property of light is that light travels in a straight line. Whenever you have light a torch in a dark room, you have observed that beam of light travels in a straight line. So this shows that light travels in a straight line. So this property of light to travels in a straight line is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear means straight, propagation means to spread. So when light is spread in a straight line, that is known as rectilinear propagation of light. The propagation of light is represented through a ray and beam. A line with an arrow. This arrow represents the direction of light. This arrow means light propagate in this way, in this side, and this is known as ray of a light. There are many rays of light, which is known as beam of light. This is the source of light, and when there are many rays emits from a source of light, this makes a beams of light. So a beam of light consists of many rays. Let's see that light travels in a straight line through an activity. Firstly, we will take 3 cardboard of the same size and place one over the other and make a holes in their center by hammering with the help of nail or by any way. Now place these cardboards on the table vertically in this way, in such a way that their holes are in a straight line. Now Place a burning candle on the other side of the cardboard, and candle flame should have height at the same height as holes in the cardboards, and on other side you can you will see from this side. Now when we look from other side to the candle flame, we will be able to see the candle flame, because light travels through these holes and reaches to our eyes and makes us visible. So this shows that light travels in a straight line. Now push the middle cardboard slightly out of its position, so that the three holes uh, do not remain in same line in a straight line. And when we look from the holes of from the first cardboard, we cannot see the candle flame. This means that when all the holes of the cardboard are not in a straight line, the light of candle flame does not to reach to our eyes. So this shows that when all the holes are not in a straight line, the light of candle flame does not reach to our eyes. Let's see that light travels in a straight line by another activity. For this activity, you have to need one piece of rubber tube and candle. Place a lighted candle on a table and stretch rubber tube straight and look through the holes from one side. Can you see the light of candle flame from this side? Yes, you can see the light coming from candle flame. Now coil the rubber tube and see the flame of candle. Can you see in this way? No, you will not be able to see the light of candle flame. This shows that light travels in a straight line. So today you have learnt that light travels in a straight line through some activities. You can do these activities at your home, but do it carefully. That's all for today. In next session, we will study that how pinhole camera works on the principle that light travels in a straight line and formation of shadows. Thank you. Have a nice day.